Welcome to my channel Ride Intro Zone. Today we're diving into something truly special, a name that blends classic nostalgia with futuristic imagination, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. If you're a fan of timeless design, smooth performance, and modern innovation wrapped in a retro-inspired body, then this is going to be one exciting ride for you. The legacy of the Volkswagen Karmann Ghia goes way back to the 1950s, when it first captured hearts with its elegant curves and sporty personality. It wasn't just a car, it was a statement. Designed by the Italian styling house Carrozzeria Ghia and hand-built by Karmann, the original model was a perfect mix of German engineering and Italian artistry. Now in 2026, Volkswagen has brought this iconic name back to life, but with a modern twist that fits perfectly into today's automotive world. At first glance, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is absolutely stunning. It keeps the signature silhouette that made the original famous low-slung body, rounded edges, and that sleek coupe profile, but now everything feels sharper, cleaner, and more refined. The LED headlights are slim and futuristic, seamlessly integrated into the front fascia. The grille is minimal, hinting at its electric nature, and the smooth body lines flow effortlessly from front to rear, giving the car a premium and aerodynamic presence. Speaking of aerodynamics, this new Carmongia is built with efficiency in mind. Every curve, every edge has been carefully sculpted to reduce drag and improve performance. The flush door handles, closed-off front grille, and sculpted underbody all contribute to a design that's not just beautiful, but also functional. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that perfectly balances vintage inspiration with modern technology. The interior design pays homage to the classic Karmann Ghia with simple, elegant lines, but everything is upgraded for today's driver. There's a large digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel, paired with a wide infotainment display in the center. The materials feel premium, with soft touch surfaces, leather upholstery, and metallic accents that give the cabin a luxurious vibe. One of the coolest features inside is the ambient lighting system, which allows you to customize the mood of the cabin. Whether you want a calm, relaxing atmosphere for night drives or a vibrant, energetic feel during the day, the Karmann Ghia lets you set the tone. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where things get really interesting. The 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is expected to be fully electric, built on Volkswagen's advanced EV platform. This means instant torque, smooth acceleration, and a quiet driving experience that feels both futuristic and refined. The electric powertrain is likely to offer impressive performance figures, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 5 to 6 seconds, depending on the variant. That's quick enough to give you a thrilling driving experience while still maintaining efficiency. The battery range is expected to be somewhere between 300 to 350 miles on a full charge, making it perfect for both daily commutes and long road trips. Charging is also fast and convenient. With DC fast charging support, you can recharge a significant portion of the battery in under 30 minutes. That means less time waiting and more time enjoying the drive. Handling is another area where the Karmann Ghia shines. Thanks to its low center of gravity, a benefit of the battery placement, the car feels stable and planted on the road. The suspension is tuned for a balance of comfort and sportiness, so whether you're cruising on the highway or taking on winding roads, the car delivers a smooth and confident ride. Safety is, of course, a top priority in modern vehicles. And the 2026 Karmann Ghia is packed with advanced features. Expect a full suite of driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. These technologies work together to provide a safer and more relaxed driving experience. In addition to that, the car is likely to include semi-autonomous driving capabilities, allowing it to handle certain driving tasks on its own under specific conditions. This not only enhances convenience but also adds an extra layer of safety. Another highlight of the new Karmann Ghia is its connectivity. The infotainment system supports smartphone integration, voice commands, and over-the-air updates. This means your car can improve over time, gaining new features and enhancements without needing a visit to the dealership. The sound system is also expected to be top-notch, delivering a rich and immersive audio experience. Whether you're listening to music, podcasts, or navigation instructions, everything sounds crisp and clear. Now let's talk about practicality. While the Carmongia is primarily a stylish coupe, it still offers a decent amount of space for everyday use. The seats are comfortable and supportive, and there's enough legroom and headroom for most passengers. The trunk space is also reasonable, making it suitable for groceries, luggage, or weekend getaways. Volkswagen is also focusing on sustainability with this model. The use of eco-friendly materials inside the cabin, along with the electric powertrain, makes the Karmann Ghia a more environmentally conscious choice. It's a car that not only looks good and performs well but also aligns with the growing demand for greener transportation. Pricing is expected to be competitive within the premium electric coupe segment. While official numbers may vary, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia could start somewhere around $45,000 to $55,000 in the United States, depending on the trim level and options. What makes this car truly special is the emotional connection it creates. It's not just about specs and features, it's about the feeling you get when you see it, sit in it, and drive it. The Karmann Ghia has always been a car that stands out, and this new version continues the tradition in a modern way. For enthusiasts who appreciate classic design, this car is a dream come true. It brings back the charm of the original while adding all the benefits of modern technology. And for those who are new to the Karmann Ghia name, it offers a unique alternative to the many generic-looking cars on the road today. In a market filled with SUVs and crossovers, the return of a stylish coupe like the Karmann Ghia is refreshing. It shows that there's still a place for cars that prioritize design, emotion, and driving pleasure. To sum it all up, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is a perfect blend of past and future. It honors its heritage while embracing innovation, delivering a driving experience that's both nostalgic and forward-thinking. From its stunning design and advanced technology to its electric performance and sustainable approach, this car has all the ingredients to become a modern classic. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest automotive content right here on Ride Intro Zone. Let me know in the comments what you think about this modern revival. Would you drive one? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.